Hello, my name is Dr. Joel Slaven with Dr. Zak Dental Care, and I'd like to speak to you today about some of the requirements that dentists must fulfill when making a comfortable, pleasingly aesthetic set of dentures for a patient. Now, there are many measurements that we have to take in order to accomplish this. We have to determine the size of the teeth, the shape of the teeth, the color of the teeth, and make sure that their lips are supported properly, that the patient can speak well. But one of the most important requirements that we have to fulfill is something known as vertical dimension. Now, vertical dimension, very simply, is how much space the teeth occupy between your upper and your lower jaw. Now, if you have your natural teeth, this is a very easy measurement to make. Let's say I put a dot on the bridge of your nose and a dot on the chin somewhere, and have you close your teeth together. You then measure the space between those two dots when your teeth are together, and that's your vertical dimension, and it will always be the same. But when you don't have teeth, we have to determine that measurement, and we do that by using wax blocks that were made in the laboratory from the final impressions that we take of your jaws. These will fit accurately into your mouth so that we can make many measurements. We'll use them to determine, again, the proper lip profile, the proper bite relationship so that when you close your teeth meet properly. But most importantly, we will determine the vertical dimension. Now, any teeth, be they natural or denture teeth, should only touch 2 times, momentarily when you swallow and when you're chewing your food. Otherwise, your muscles are relaxed and your jaws have a space between them known as the freeway space. This is approximately 6 millimeters, and it's very important so that your muscles and joints are in a comfortable harmony without any stress on either. So it's very important that when we try in these wax blocks that we either add wax or remove wax, and watch your speech, and when you're relaxed we observe the space between your teeth to make sure that this freeway space is exactly the right amount. Because if it's too little, your teeth will probably click when you speak, and if it's too great, it's going to lead to stress in your muscles and perhaps pain in your joints, neither of which we want to see happen with any kind of restoration. So at the appointment where we do all these measurements, we will determine all of these factors and then lock these 2 wax blocks together with a rigid bite relationship. This is then sent to the laboratory, and they put the teeth in the proper position and send them back to us to try and verify all of our measurements. Now, if our measurements are correct, and most importantly, your freeway space is correct, so that your muscles will be relaxed and your joints will be comfortable and that you'll be able to function properly, and then you'll have the chance to look at the denture set up in the wax, make sure you like the cosmetics of them and that all the factors that are necessary have been achieved. We can then send them to the laboratory and have them finished in a high-quality acrylic resin, and we will be able to deliver to you a comfortable, functional, and cosmetically pleasing denture that has a proper vertical dimension so that your muscles and your joints work together in harmony without creating any stresses or creating any pain or problems with chewing or speaking.